Hi there, and welcome to the quick demo of PageGPT. So PageGPT is a context-aware AI chatbot. What does it mean? So imagine you're browsing some web page, in my case, an article here, and I just open PageGPT and ask it, let's say, summarize key ideas in up to maybe 5 bullet points. And in a few seconds, depending on the page size, I get my answer. Or picture this, you're scanning through email conversation, and in my case, I got an email from Daniel, and I need to generate a relevant reply. And I can open it and ask it to draft reply to Daniel telling that I'm in. And PageGPT is always in sync with the current page you're on and will use its content whenever it's needed. So here I have a relevant reply ready for me to use. How cool is that? Or here's the kicker. Imagine you're on a large web page, in my case, a capybara Wikipedia page, and I, for instance, don't understand the specific part of it, like what does this herbivores and other terminology mean? I can open PageGPT. Obviously, I could ask what is herbivores, but I can specifically pick this content that I want PageGPT to focus on, and from now on, instead of the whole page, PageGPT is focused on that selection. And I can ask it, explain content like I'm 5. In a few seconds, I get my answer, which are big rodents that eat plants. Okay, so as you might have guessed, with PageGPT, starting conversation is easy as just clicking a button and asking a question, and you don't have to explain everything. So for instance, here I have some docs. I can just start conversation with simple like, what is this page about? Some generic question, and first question might take some time. This page is about embeddings. Okay, I can follow up with tell me more about embeddings. Embeddings is a context of the OpenAI API vectors, floating points. Okay, seems to be quite complicated. Let's ask it to explain like M5. And if you notice, I've already used this explain me twice. With PageGPT, I can store those shortcuts frequently used in a name of the shortcut here and the actual message explain me like I'm 5. Let's add also summarize. Summarize and the actual message, summarize key ideas in up to, let's say, 7 bullet points. And from now on, whenever I open PageGPT, I can access those shortcuts in a single click of a button. And here's the thing. With PageGPT, you use your own OpenAI API key. This means there are no artificial limitations on our side, such as number of queries or tokens or chats. However, you are also responsible for your own OpenAI API usage, for the cost of it, obviously. And we also respect your privacy. We don't store any conversations on our side, but rather use OpenAI API directly. And your conversations are secure and won't be used in training or other activities. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching and happy exploring PageGPT.